up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna go take a ride to the bank. Let's see what we're gonna find along the way. There's always some interesting things here. Check out this Scooby-Doo van right here in the orange. Alright, so now we're on our way. It's a beautiful day right now. Look at the sky, it's blue. Wow. We're riding along the Han River right here. This is a pretty fun little back road. In the evening, or when the sun goes down, this whole area lights up, and I love the vibe, the night vibe. It's a very nice place to hang out late in the evening. To the left here, you'll see there's a sidewalk. A lot of people like to jog and do their daily walk up and down this walkway. It's really nice. You can check out the Han River as you walk, and there's a lot of like street food stalls and places to stop and rest and grab a drink. But yeah, there's a lot of construction going on in this area, so be careful riding through here. Alright, let's keep going. Tourist season, tourist bus. This whole area was blocked off to the right here. I used to turn here to go to the local market, but they shut it down recently, which kind of sucks because now I have to go all around. It takes an extra 5 minutes, but hey, it's an extra time for joyriding, you know? Alright, the reason why we're going to the bank today is I ran out of cash. I need to pick up some cash for a weekend. Fun weekend to have a nice day out with the lady and some friends. Oh, what's this guy doing right here? Oh, he's cruising next to me. I'm always afraid riding next to cars. Only because, well, to be honest, the cars here are, most of the time, they tend to stay in their lane and they turn pretty slowly. It's sometimes the motorcycle, the scooter and motorcyclists that gets you because they come out from every which way. The road there's no one way for them. They'll ride on your side. I mean, cars will do that too, but I'm always looking out after the motorcyclists. And also, never try to beat a car on a turn. Never try to beat a car. I just cruise, let the car do its thing, and never try to beat it or outrun it. Because you know what? If you get in an accident and you hit that car, nothing's gonna happen to the guy in that car. But you're gonna definitely fly off your motorcycle or your scooter. So be careful. Even though here in Da Nang, we typically ride pretty slow, I'd say most of the time people are just cruising 15, 20 miles an hour. That's like, what, 30 to 50 kilometers? Alright, these stoplights, oh, they just bypassed that light, okay. Yeah, these stoplights, man, they take like a minute just sitting here. But at least there's a countdown, which I can appreciate. Back in the States, we just have these lights and you just sit there and there's really no countdown. You don't even know when it's gonna turn green. Yo, look at this guy creeping up right over here. Damn, he just rode right on the opposite opposite side. Okay. Most of the time, these lights, they're around a minute, I would say. I've rarely hit a light where I'm sitting there for more than 2 minutes. Alright, here we go. Make this quick left. Let's see if nobody's gonna try to run that light, cut you off. Alright, we're good. Good to go. Man, look at that sky. What a beautiful sky. Beautiful day today. It's not even that hot. Not too humid. I love it. I love days like this where even though you see I'm wearing like some sun protective gear for my arm, just to help with the UV here. Days like this, it's not too bad. It's very nice and chill just to cruise the streets. Another freaking stop. Alright, what's going on here? Oh, it's a quick one. Cool. Let's go. Oh, that girl. She just took off. Yeah, most of the time wherever I'm doing that day, going on my daily activity, I'm just cruising, chilling. I'm not trying to rush getting anywhere. Just trying to enjoy the ride, especially days like this. Look at this beautiful scenery, beautiful sky. I think tonight, in the evening, that sky is gonna blend well with the golden hour. That's the thing about Da Nang. The lights just bounce off these clouds and give it like a very mesmerizing, beautiful, how do I say this? Just beautiful sunsets every day. Every day there's something. Riding this bridge just feels so cool. Something you guys see on YouTube a lot or TV. They always talk about this bridge or show this bridge, and I ride it every other day or something, and it catches me every time. Just seeing this beautiful bridge, I still get excited riding across it. There's like 3 bridges here. I'll show you guys the other one in the next video. It's the Han River Bridge. Oh, that's a beautiful bridge too. And of course, another stoplight. Did we just hit it in the middle? In the beginning? Either way, it's gonna be about a minute, I think. Light traffic today. It's in the evening. It's noon right now. Light traffic, which I like. Once it hits around 4 o'clock or something, that's when all the people go home, the heavy traffic, go home and go out to eat and hang out for the evening. That's when it gets heavy. Around that time, we gotta be careful. Riding around, people just go crazy. Come at you every which way. So I always talk to expats and foreigners, and we always refer to this area as across the bridge, because on the other side it's the beach area. So most of them don't even come across the bridge to this side unless they need to find some local cuisine or go to some other places, unique places that they don't see on the beach side, I guess. There's a lot of good food over here. Nice bars and clubs, I guess. I think a lot of young foreigners like to come on this side to go to the Korean bars, Korean clubs. There's all kinds of clubs over here. Alright, VP Bank. This is the bank. Let's see if there's cash here today. Every time I come here, it's a hit or miss. It's never guaranteed, these banks. Don't you just love that? Ride like 15 minutes just hoping that you can withdraw some cash. Alright, let's do this. For most of you who've never used the banks here before, you put in the card and then it'll ask for language. I use the English, of course, and the bank here only allows you to withdraw. Well, actually, you can withdraw quite a bit. But on the screen, if you want to do a quick withdrawal, I think max is 5 million, which is like 185 US dollars. Oh, looks like there's no cash. Bad luck for me. Let's try one more time. I always put like a high amount when I try to withdraw, just to see if they have enough, and if they don't, then I'll just do their minimal amount, which is 5 million, which is 190 US dollars, something like that. 85, 190. Alright, there's no cash, so let's head on out and we'll try another place. I think there's one more BP bank that I typically go to, and it's back the same way across the Dragon Bridge towards the beach side. I don't like to go to that bank that often because it's always out of cash, and it always gives me these small denominations. Like, I hate carrying a wad of cash. Like, just give me the big bills. But I need some cash, so let's go back and see if they have cash. I typically only go to these two banks, and if they run out, or if there's no cash for the day, then I'll just wait. I'll wait, let me see, if it's early in the week, I might wait 1 day or 2 days. But if it's close to the weekend, then I'm gonna have to wait until the following weekday, like Monday. Because weekends are, I don't think they refill it on Saturdays and Sundays, I don't know. From my experiences, I've rarely were able to withdraw cash on weekends if they run out. Look at this beautiful view. Dragon Bridge on the right side. Nice emerald sky. Beautiful. I love taking this turn. Right in the bridge, here we go. To the right here, you'll see the Han River, which, if you look on the left, well, I don't think you'll see on the left side, but there they typically have the fireworks, the yearly firework competition, which happens in late May, early June, for 4 weeks. 4 weeks or 5 weeks, I forget. But it's pretty awesome. That's something I would suggest people come see if you're coming around at the end of May, late May, and all of June. You'll definitely find perfect seating right in the front if you get there early, about 2 hours early. However, the locals there, the Vietnamese locals, they're pretty cool. If it's just one person or two person, you could probably inch your way to the front and just seating position, but stand near a tree. That's the secret. Stand near a tree where nobody is standing and they won't complain because the tree is already blocking everybody. That's my one tip for getting front row seat at a fireworks competition show. That's a good or bad sign. It's good because nobody is standing there withdrawing all the cash. Sometimes you get there and there's a dude right there just standing there withdrawing all of the money from the machine. I find it pretty rude. Save some for the other people, man. Alright, let's try this again. Let's see what we get. Yeah, I'm pretty quick with this. I'll come in and I'll do like 30 seconds. Newbies, they take like freaking 15 minutes going through the menu. It's hilarious. It sucks for me though. But looks like there's cash. Okay. We're in luck, people. We got cash. Let's see if they gave me the big bills or the small bills. Ooh, big bills today. They just refilled this. Nice. Okay, let's go Vegas, everybody. Alright guys, that's it for today. Come join me for the next ride. If you guys are interested, I'll post the next one here at the top right here if you want to check out the Han River Bridge ride. It's a chill ride, so I'll see you guys next time. Peace.